What's up everyone, I'm NyVo. Today I'm gonna take this pile of IEMs and arrange them by their soundstage. So anything with the big soundstage that expands in front of your face and is a nice arching shape will be on this, which to me is gonna be the best. Anything that is going out to the sides only and does not stage in front of your head, I'll put it in front of here, which doesn't necessarily means it's the worst or the best, but to me, I generally don't like that type of stage. And this will be anything that is just, I would say, a wonky stage, so the type that I would recommend avoiding. Right off the bat, I'll say I'm borrowing these from a friend. These are the Rhapsodio Infinity MK2, and they're amp picky on how they stage, so they can either be here on a good amp or here kind of wonky. So I'll put them over here, assuming that you have done your research on these and know what amp is the best to use for them. These definitely go over here. A18T, A12T goes over here. This is the Audiofly AF 190, I think. I have the 1120 also, but this goes over here. They both go over here. This is the IEMS MK2. This only goes to the sides for me on my ears, so that goes into the sideways only soundstage. This one also is the 64 Audio Neo. It does it, and I think I'll put them in order from biggest to smallest too. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And actually, those are already in the right order. This also stages that way. This is the Audio Hekeli. Olina goes to the sides, and it's definitely worse than Mest. This has no stage, but it images and separates really well. But since there's no stage, I'm going to put it over here. It's not that I can't say that it's bad. It's just what it is. It doesn't stage. All right, this one is kind of a weird in between. At least how I've heard it. It has a nice stage, but it's the type that swirls all around your head. But it doesn't. It's not the normal type that goes in front of your head or anything. So I think I'll have to put this over here. But it definitely beats Etymotic. This one, it stages way out in front. The overall quality of the thing is low, but it actually does stage quite a bit. And I would say stage wise, it is somewhere around here. It's either here or, man, it's I have to listen to it again. It's pretty good. And it's $20, or somewhere around there, $40 maybe. I don't know. Urban Fun. This is, I don't actually remember. I haven't listened to that so long. They're not good IEMs, so I don't listen to them. I only listen to them for their tonality. They're just a fun IEM. So this is a Kato. Kato also falls into the category of it goes all around your head, and that is going to be next to the TM Magician. Doesn't really go out away from your head. Shure Tape, it does shape this way a little bit, but it doesn't do it that well. I'd say actually it's at the bottom on this side. Beeline BL03, it also shapes in front. It's probably right here. Can you see that on camera? Yeah, you can. And the 10T2, it's kind of in between, so I'll put it over here, and then yeah, it goes at the bottom. We're not even using this. I guess it can. Let's see. Yeah, goes on the. I don't like them. This one actually is pretty awesome, but it'll go. This is AirPod Pros, by the way. It goes probably right here. Yeah, but if you got the what's it called, spatial audio turned on, it can be pretty nice. So it does make a big difference. Tension Tanya, it does go in front of your head a little bit, but it's worse than a lot of these. It's probably at the very bottom, but it's nice enough to not be annoying, and that's why it's not over here. The chew, it's not good enough either. It's gonna go around here. And Urban Fun, yeah, I don't remember. And then the sparks are just messed up. These I don't remember. I don't really listen to them. I think that wraps it up. So whatever, that's how it sounds to my ears, and some of them can change with different amps and everything. Even though these are over here, doesn't mean that they're bad. They're still really, these are one of my favorite IEMs, but they don't stage the normal way that normal IEMs do. And this is my favorite IEM here overall, but it doesn't do the type of staging that I like. If this is modded, however, this is the Alina. Once you mod it, it goes, let's see, you have to do the almost naked mod, and it goes probably right here. Like, that's how high I would say. It's pretty crazy. And this is $100 IEM, so these two are the crazy ones for price versus stage. Alright, that was fun. See you guys later.